What's up guys, welcome back to Seize the Speed for another video, and today I'm going to be testing out a product by Shine Armor. This is a graphene ceramic spray and it's supposed to give you some durable coating above your paint to make sure, you know, water, gunk, bird poop, bugs, things like that are easier to clean off your paint. So this is supposed to create a smooth surface and make washing your car a lot easier. Without further ado, this thing is absolutely filthy, and your first step to application of this is a clean surface. So let's get into washing this thing. So as far as I know, this car has never been coated with anything under my ownership, so it could have some wax on it, but I don't think this thing has any type of ceramic coating or anything, because look at how this water is just staying on there. I mean, when I put water on it, it takes a good while for the water to stop moving, and even then it does not bead or anything. It's just kind of sitting there, letting gravity pull it. So once we put the product on, we're gonna show you how different water actually behaves on top of this surface. All right, so we're ready to start coating the car. It is windy as heck out here and the sun is beaming at the same time. First thing you wanna do, you're gonna go ahead and remove the tag off of your microfiber so you don't scratch the car further. Shout out to Shine Armor for sending me these. We're gonna go ahead and spray a few sprays onto the microfiber itself, and we're going to start applying, working it into a small area. So I personally like to do my coatings in, I don't know, maybe like a foot by a foot portions so it doesn't haze too fast. Preferably you want to do this in the shade, but it is what it is. So once you apply it, you want to wait 1 to 2 minutes for it to haze up, and then you're going to use another clean microfiber to buff it off the car. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing all over this hood. Let's get into it. All right, so we went ahead and coated the entire car. It is hot as heck, so I am excited to be done, but it's been a couple hours in this sun. It hasn't quite been 4, but I'd say we're okay to go ahead and test it out. Here's some water, here's this hood. Let's see how it does. Look at that. Just comes right off. Now, it's, you know, good to keep in mind this product, for the retail price that it has, which is a fraction of a professional ceramic coating, offers you almost the same type of water repelling properties as something that would cost probably 10 times as much. And you can get this product down in the description. I will leave a link. I would also put a discount code down in the description for 20% off the Shine Armor products if you use that. But as far as this video goes, This one is over, so thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Peace out.